Welcome to HMO on Steroids. Our aim is to represent the best new and existing investors in the UK. Sourcing and working with the best investment properties and accommodation, the best quality accommodation and tenants within one of the most profitable property strategies in the UK. Investing in yield 8 to 15% for our investors. Income between £30,000 and £40,000 per year. Value, buy houses to add value in the right areas. And of course, capital growth long term. If you buy in the right places, then you can really gain massively from capital growth and have a great exit plan. If you're looking to start, rebuild, improve, progress, or develop your property portfolio with income, capital the right way, the best way, the most profitable way, then you need to speak to us. We can help you, work for you, teach you, or you can sit back and we can do it for you. You can even pick the HMO on Steroids services that you need. HMO on Steroids pick and mix services for property investors include so much. Choosing the right area, sourcing property, adding value to the right properties, refurbishment and developing properties, HMO kits perfectly fitted in the property for new legislation as well. HMO stand out from the competition. We show you how, or we do it for you. Administration, let's do the boring work. For HMO license, we can do all of that for you. It doesn't have to be difficult. Furniture, interior and design, we get the most out of the rooms. We get the highest rent possible. Beautiful, beautiful rooms. Rental, letting out quickly, less voids. Management of HMOs, it's not easy, but we've got a team that specialise in managing the tenants and managing the HMOs. Utilities, how to minimise costs. A power team, leverage our 25 years, our expertise, our huge power team, and we essentially become your go-to pro. If you're interested in any of our services, any of our expertise, please get in contact with us, get in contact with our team. Let's arrange a coffee, let's talk, and hopefully we can help you and we can tell you more about the revolution that is HMO on Steroids.